We are Acino, and we have a bold ambition to stand out in the world of pharma, to be proudly different. We deliver purpose, work at pace, and pursue excellence in all we do, making high-quality medicines accessible to patients and healthcare professionals in high-growth markets, serving as a reliable and preferred contract manufacturing and out-licensing partner. Trust, commitment, empathy, and courage form the basis of our successful partnerships, and are also the values we believe in. Founded and headquartered in Switzerland since 1836. Actions speak louder than words. Patients' welfare is always at the forefront of our mind. That's why we passionately support and drive disease awareness, including gastro, pain, cardio health, and beyond. Empower physicians by providing better access to a broad range of innovative and well-proven medicines. Champion diversity, like achieving broad-based Black Economic Empowerment Level 1 status in South Africa. Commit to advancing healthcare across communities, caring not just about patients, but everyone, every day. Ultimately, it's what makes us different. We develop, manufacture, and provide complex, tailor-made solutions through our world-class supply chain. We proudly deliver consistent quality in everything we do. Our field force of highly skilled and dedicated medical experts drives solid distribution, improving patients' lives across 4 continents. We have the courage to dream big to grow as a business. In the future, we will extend our reach and knowledge with advanced new treatments, expanding our service offer, and diversifying our portfolio and footprint through acquisitions. We welcome employees who thrive in a dynamic environment, looking to make a positive impact on patients' lives. As an award-winning employer, we are dedicated to creating a workplace culture that empowers people to succeed. With shared ambition and with strong partners, we actively pursue excellence in all we do.